Hello friends, good morning. This is Aman, and I'm here with my problem on hydrostatic force on plane surfaces and the derivation of that vertical plane surface in water. We have to derive the h bar and h star, the center of pressure, and total position of center of pressure and total pressure. Now I am here with my question. The question is all a rectangular plane surface is 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. It lies in a vertical plane in water, vertically immersed in water. It means that, and determine the total pressure and position of center of pressure. We have to determine the total pressure and position of center of pressure on the plane surface when its upper edge is horizontal and first question is coincide with the water surface, and second question is 2.5 meter below the free water surface. Means this question is in two parts. First part coincide with the free water surface, and second part is plane is 2.5 meter below the free water surface. Now we have to draw it. Both the diagram I am going to be draw. I already draw the diagram. The first diagram, this one, this one, and second is this one. The first question is when the horizontal surface coincide with the free water surface. The horizontal surface coincide with the free water surface. This black line is the free water surface, and this is a plane of 3 meter by 2 meter. G is the center of gravity, position of center of gravity, and P is the position of total pressure. And here I cannot write the H bar and H star. Capital H is the H star. Capital H means the position of center of pressure, and a small h, it means that H bar, the distance between the center of gravity of the plate from the free water surface. Now I am going to solve the first question first. First part of the question, that is when the plate is coincide with the free water surface. Now, as you know, how we are going to resolve. First of all, we have to write the given what we are having. Dimension, plate dimension width is equal to 2 meter, depth equal to 3 meter. It means that area equal to 6 meter square. Area is the 6 meter square. That is thing we are having. Area is 6 meter square. Now, as I told you earlier in the previous lecture, that you have to find out the total pressure F equal to rho G A into H bar. Here is the H bar is a small h. So we have to find out the H bar. H bar for rectangular plate when it's coincide with the free water surface is just simply the half of the depth. The depth is 3 meter. It means that 1.5 meter, and the area we have to calculate is the 6 meter square. Rho and G we already know what is rho and what is G. So now F equal to rho is the 1000 for water, and 9.81 is G, and then area is the 6 meter square, and H bar is 1.5. Now calculate. After calculating this, we are going to find out at 88290 Newton. Total is 88290 Newton force we are getting. This is a total force, total pressure force acting on the plane. Now We have to find out the position of center of pressure. It means that H star, we have to find out the H star. Okay, I'm going to find out the H star. What is the formula for the H star that we are going to derive? H star formula for H star is Ig divided by AH bar, and Ig divided by AH bar plus H bar. It's plus H bar. Here we are having the H bar, we are having A, but we have to find out the Ig. Ig is the moment of inertia. The moment of inertia for a rectangular plate is B dq by 12. As we already know about these all things, B dq by 12, B is 2 into 3 ka cube divided by 12. From here, when we solve this, we are going to find out 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 divided by 12 is 4.5 m to the power 4. Okay, Ig is the 4.5. Now next, Ig is 4.5. Ig is 4.5, then H star is equal to 4.5 divided by 1.5, that is H bar, into 6, that is the A, plus 1.5. After solving this, what we are going to be get is 2 meters. 6 1.5 into 3 into 2 0.5 plus 1.5, like this. 3 2 1 by 2 is 0.5 plus 1.5 is 2 meter. Now I am going to solve the first question. पहला क्वेश्चन में क्या था, एफ हम लोगों ने फाइंड आउट किया कितना, 88290 न्यूटन. This is the F, and H star, the position of center of pressure is 2 meter. It means that this H is 2 meter, and the total force acting in this F equal to 88290 Newton. Now we move to our next. Okay, next part of the question. What is the next part of the question? Next part of the question is 2.5 meter below the free water surface. This is the 2.5 meter below the water surface. This distance is 2.5 meter. That is below the water surface. Now we are going to solve the second part of the question. In this part also we have to find out first the F. For F, the same formula, rho g a into h bar, but here the h bar is different. H bar means the distance from the free water surface, the distance from the free water surface, that is the free water surface, to the position of center of gravity, means this distance. This is 2.5 meter. We already know 2.5 meter, and this one is 1.5 meter. Since this is a rectangular plate, so total depth is 3 meter. So half of the depth, center of gravity is at the center of the rectangular plate, then half of the depth is 1.5 meter. Now it's easy for us to find out this h bar is 2.5 plus 3 divided by 2. It's 1.5, 2.5 and 1.5 is the 4. Total is the 4 meter. 4 meter. Area we are having to find out the force. 1000 into 9.81 into 6 into 4. Now we got, after calculating this, we got 235,440. 235,440 Newton. This is the total force of the second part of the question. This is total force. Now we have to calculate the position. Now the first position, when the plane is 2.5 meter, when the plane is 2.5 meter below the free water surface, so we have to determine the h star again. We have to determine the h star again. H star, the formula is same, Ig divided by A into H bar plus H bar. Ig is the same as we already determined the Ig 4.5 here. Ig we already determined the Ig is a 4.5 meter. So here also the Ig is the same, 4.5. Now area is also same 6 meter, but h bar in the previous slide we all determine h bar is 4 meter. So here we are going to put h bar as 4 meter plus 4. Now calculate. After calculating this, 4.1875, this is the 187 meter. This is the fresh h star. So now we solve for both the question. For the first question, F we are getting is 88290 Newton, and H star is 2 meter. For the next question, question number 2, F is equal to 235,440 Newton and H star is 4.1875 meter. So thank you.